हामीले दैनिक रूपमा ठूलो मात्रामा फोहोर उत्पादन गर्छौं, तर त्यो फोहोरको व्यवस्थापन अझै पनि परम्परागत र अल्मलिएको छ। यही समस्यालाई समाधान गर्न हामीले निर्माण गरेका छौं स्मार्ट डस्टबिन सिस्टम, जुन क्यामेरा, सेन्सर र स्मार्ट एल्गोरिदमको सहायताले फोहोरलाई स्वचालित रूपमा छुट्याउन, मात्रा मापन गर्न र ड्यासबोर्डमा डेटा पठाउने क्षमता राख्दछ। अब फोहोर व्यवस्थापन स्मार्ट, छिटो र डेटा ड्रिभन हुनेछ। स्मार्ट डस्टबिन प्रोजेक्टले स्वच्छता, समय बचत र डिजिटल मोनिटरिङलाई सहज बनाउँछ। नमस्ते, आज हामीले स्मार्ट डस्टबिन बनाएका छौँ।
Organic, yes.
Yeah, the costing.
Yes. Recyclable. Organic, yes. Organic. Polycarb, yes. Organic, yes.
Dashboard part we have created, and we can just log in from here. And this dashboard actually shows the different ranges of the dustbin data, like organic items, total weight collected, and recyclable items. And it is basically the part of the informative for the data of the dustbins. Like in a different locations we can locate by the map. For example, any school have its compartment, different dustbins kept. Then we can just locate over there and show, for example, this location. A total weight of the dustbin is this, and organic items are 5 recyclable items, and we can show the range. This month how much data is collected, and this year how much data is collected, and these are the different graphs we have plotted for the different purpose. We can go visit to the different locations. How much long is this to navigate from one place to another place? For now, this is the dummy data, but whenever we grow to create the ecosystem of the dustbins, we can use this dashboard for the different individuals and help out to collect the data from the dustbins.